61. So, day 4 of working from home. It has been a long day, but good and productive. Tonight was supposed to be closed night, but some things happened and it's gonna get pushed back to tomorrow. So tomorrow, Friday night, may be a long night. So yeah, it's hard to do a power lunch at home just because there's so much to do, and plus you want to help out where you can. So it's just hard to do business stuff and still hold a newborn. But she's asleep right now. I think I have a good 30-40 minutes before she wakes up again. So I'm going to try to do my first blog for the website, and it's basically making the case for accounting, and just wanting to get a framework going, and I can flesh it out in my journal later, but just want to make a start, a push towards something. So all right, so I did some brainstorming here, and so the case for accounting, basically explaining that accounting is basically working with books or financials or statements, trying to get to these reports that are used to make decisions. And mostly people use them for taxes, for compliance, but there's so much more that you can use accounting reports for. So just the basics, it's accounting for the profit and loss in the business. So all the transactions that happen, you're looking at what money went in, what went out, putting it in categories, and basically coming to is the business profitable or is it operating at a loss? 3 statements that we're looking for is profit and loss, which is also known as an income statement, looking at balance sheet and cash flow. It's very, very valuable in analysis and strategy, and I think that's what I'm trying to sell. More than just bookkeeping, it's more of the accounting side or the finance side. Bookkeeping side that classifies transactions that a business owner probably already does, but their categories may be more detailed than needs to be. So I'd help them make these categories broad and basically optimize it for analysis. Next is the accounting, which actually closes the books. This will be something that's done monthly. So you're working with accruals and just verifying that the transactions are in the proper accounts. Doing the recons, which is very, very important. This is bank recons and also payroll recons. So we do that, and then you print out the reports. So those 3 statements that we pointed out over here. And then the big part where you really get your value is from the financial side. So you're looking at basically reports and comparing it to either the budget or last year or month to month, just trying to spot trends or outliers, and just seeing you have basically an idea of where you want to go, and the numbers should tell you if you're on track or not. Then you can look at some short-term things like the expenses. Is spending more in marketing going to return me what I need to in my revenue, or would it be better to cut down this season? Then for the long-term stuff, you're looking at more investments. So should you buy this brand new expensive equipment? Should you hire that new person? That's more of the investment side. And basically what's in it for you as the client is it's going to save you time. So you can focus on doing the work in the business. I'll focus on your books. Less stress, so you actually know where you are. Everything will be tied to cash. So less errors, so less of a potential to miss a deduction. And then useful data for strategy and analysis. So I think I got something here. I'll flesh this out in the journal and then yeah, upload my first blog for the website. So all done. Let's go to bed.